Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Make sure both AirPods Pro and your Android phone have enough battery power. Charge both devices to at least 20% before you begin. Enable Bluetooth in Android settings and stay on the Bluetooth page. Keep the AirPods case open and the earbuds near the phone. When the AirPods appear in the device list, tap to pair them with Android. Wait until the connection shows as connected before proceeding. Once connected, use the AirPods Pro force sensor to control noise modes. Press and hold the stem on either ear for about 1.5 seconds. You will feel a small click each time the mode changes. Cycle through active noise cancellation, transparency, and off or the closest equivalent. Stop pressing when you hear the chime for the off or transparency setting. Confirm noise cancelling is off by listening for ambient sound. If you want visual confirmation on Android, install a companion app like Air Battery or Material Pods. These apps show battery levels and ANC status for AirPods Pro on Android. If the stem control does not give the expected off mode, try resetting the AirPods Pro. To reset, place both earbuds in the case and close the lid for at least 30 seconds. Open the lid and hold the case button for 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Repair the AirPods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.